Since the introduction of EPDM roofing systems in 1964, the most popular methods for installation of EPDM are ballasted, mechanically attached, and fully adhered systems. Many system manufacturers tried to reduce installation time and cost through introduction of new innovative systems, such as track plate bonding and disc systems. All of these were attempts to get away from the more costly, fully adhered systems. Now in the 90s, the emphasis is on environmental concerns. Mulehide, working with their adhesive suppliers, developed an environmentally safe acrylic bonding adhesive for membrane roofing. The following video shows the installation of 45 mil black EPDM rubber membrane installed on an 80,000 square foot warehouse in Ohio. First section completed in the fall of 1991. Roof size 80,000 square feet. Manpower 4 experienced roofers. Material .045 black EPDM 20 feet by 100 feet. Adhesive Mulehide acrylic bonding adhesive. Seams inseam tape. Flashings uncured laminated flashing tape. Product Mulehide fully adhered EPDM roof system. Mulehide currently is supplying the commercial roofing industry with some innovative systems developed in recent years. We have stressed for years the use of inseam tapes and uncured laminated flashing tapes. Now we have brought a user-friendly bonding adhesive to the marketplace. Mulehide's acrylic bonding adhesive is environmentally safe, easy to use, and results in a roof that should be wrinkle-free. Seam joints and flashing details tend to be superior due to acrylic bonding adhesive and the non-existence of solvent-based splice adhesive that distorts the membrane. Mulehide's acrylic bonding adhesive, in use for over 6 years to secure EPDM roofs, was introduced to the commercial roofing industry in 1991. Utilizing proven experience, improved product knowledge, technical advances, and constant testing, Mulehide successfully expanded the use of acrylic bonding adhesive into the commercial roofing industry. We will show you how fast and easy the process is installing EPDM membrane in both a perpendicular and lateral alignment. Good application tools and clean equipment are essential to a good job. This roofer keeps his roller covers and handle in a plastic container filled with a solution of water and household soap to preserve the cover during the time of the job. These particular covers have been used for almost 1 year. Using a piece of fiberboard insulation, one can roll out the water each morning and be ready to quickly start the job. The key factor in installing acrylic bonding adhesive is to have excellent application tools, such as an 18-inch or 24-inch large paint roller or quality spray equipment. Keeping the membrane in alignment, the contractor folds back half the sheet, exposing the deck and membrane to be adhered. One worker spreads the adhesive, while the other 2 crew members, on either side of the membrane, run the sheet into the adhesive while it is still wet. It may be helpful to have an extra man on the job to induce air under the sheet or to help spread the acrylic bonding adhesive. As a team, a 4-man crew with limited experience on a large, relatively detail-free roof can install 100 to 120 squares per day. The speed of installation, including the installation of the membrane into the wet adhesive, allows for this higher productivity. There is no need to wait for the bonding adhesive to set up or to coat both the membrane and the deck as required with solvent-based adhesive. After the membrane is adhered to the deck, a standard push broom is needed to broom in the EPDM. The brooming operation must be done while the adhesive is still wet. This procedure assures mating of the adhesive to the back side of the EPDM membrane and allows for even coverage of the acrylic bonding adhesives. A single pass with a quality broom is sufficient. Any small wrinkles or air pockets can normally be pushed out with the broom, thereby eliminating even the smallest wrinkle. Should a major wrinkle occur, the contractor has approximately 10 to 20 minutes to reposition the sheet without having to add adhesive. Again, an impossible task if a solvent-based bonding adhesive is being used. Once the membrane has been swept and is lying flat and wrinkle-free, fold back the other half of the sheet and repeat the procedures we have just shown you. When the membrane is adhered and in a wet condition, keep foot traffic to a minimum. This is a standard with all good roofing practices. While the adhesive is taking a set, footprints will appear from excess traffic. However, these footprints can generally be removed with an additional brooming of the deck. A flat, smooth, good-looking job should be the norm rather than the exception. Now that you have seen EPDM installed laterally, we will show you another 20-foot by 100-foot sheet installed lengthwise. The key factor, like any good roofing job, is everyone should know their job, know how to use the equipment, and how to use the adhesive to their best advantage. This includes knowing where the adhesive should be applied and where it needs to stop for the incorporation of seaming adhesives or inseam tapes. When installing the sheet lengthwise, spread 3 to 4 feet of adhesive in front of the folded EPDM. Inject air under the sheet, allowing it to flow into the wet adhesive. A 3-man crew will be able to control the flow of the sheet and stop it at the edge of the adhesive. Continue this process over and over until the installation is complete. This allows for the quick and easy installation of sheets as large as 20 feet by 200 feet. Once again, the brooming of the sheet is imperative in obtaining a clean and wrinkle-free roof. When the job is complete and the crew is ready to go home, the end of the day cleanup is easy and fast. All one needs to do is put their roller cover back into the container for safekeeping until the next job. The advantages of acrylic ease bonding adhesive are: number 1, high labor productivity; number 2, profitable to use; number 3, no solvents; number 4, no vapors to inhale; number 5, non-flammable; number 6, cost-effective; number 7, wrinkle-free installations; and number 8, environmentally friendly. Acrylic bond adhesive is cost-effective to you, the contractor, because your coverage per 5-gallon pail will be 700 to 800 square feet, as compared with solvent-based bonding adhesives that average 300 square feet. This alone reduces your bonding cost by over 50%. Labor productivity also dramatically increases, as one generally needs to coat only one side rather than 2 as required by solvent bonding adhesive. Once again, over a 50% savings in labor. What did the roofing contractor on this roof say about Mulehide's acrylic bonding adhesive?
I can sure save a buck or two. You know, it's easier on my men, but the most important factor is I don't have to worry about fire or higher insurance costs. And I don't have to breathe the vapors from solid-based bonding adhesive. I'm sold on Mulehide's acrylic bonding system. I'm sold on it.